everyone, this is Mrs. Kramer, and today we'll be looking at Theory Time, Grade 6, Lesson 9. We're going to talk about key signatures. When you're writing a key signature on the staff, there are several things that you want to keep in mind. Number 1, determine whether the major key uses sharps or flats. The key of C major does not use any sharps or flats. When you're looking at the flat keys, all the flat keys have a flat in their name except for F. All of the other major key signatures uses sharp, but only F sharp and C sharp have a sharp in their name. Number 2, all the flats or sharps in a key must be written in a specific order. The order of sharps in the key signature will always be in this specific order: F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. That means you'll start with an F sharp, then you'll go to a C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. So we need to remember this order, and there are several different ways that we can go about doing that. There are several different sentences here that you can use, or you can make up your own using these letters. Fat cats get dizzy after eating birds. Fat cats go down alleys eating bugs, or Fred can go downstairs and eat breakfast. A lot of my students like to use this one. So you get to decide which one you want to use and mark it here. The order of flats in a key signature will always be B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. It's also interesting that this order is the reverse of the sharp order. Sharp order ended on a B, this one starts on a B, and they keep reversing each other. So some ways that you can use to help you remember the order of the flats. There are a few sentences here. A lot of my students like to use this one. But if you want to add your own, you can do that as well. Number 3, the flats must be written in a specific pattern. All sharps after the first one must move to the right. The first one you draw is always on the line. The pattern for sharps is high, low, low, high, low. If the key uses sharps, the first sharp is written on the highest F line. So let's take a look and see what that means. So here in this example, we have the order of sharps shown to us. I like to look at it, instead of the high-low business, I like to look at it as 2 plus 3 plus 2. Or in the bass clef, 2 plus 3 plus 2. Let's practice drawing these on our own. Treble clef. The order is F, C, G, D, A, E, B. So we'll draw the F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. Or in bass clef, it looks like this: F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. Okay, number 2, they want us to draw the clef, the brace, and the double bar line. So here's the brace, here's the clef, and the double bar line. Now we'll practice writing all 7 sharps. And remember, it's going to be F, C, G, D, A, E, B. And it's in patterns of 2 plus 3 plus 2. So pause the video and see if you can draw them in. Okay, how'd you do? Did you get them right? The flats must be written in a specific pattern. As you draw the flats, after the first one, it moves to the right. The first flat goes on the line. The pattern for the flats is a little bit easier. It goes low, high, low, high, low, high, low. The first flat is always written on the lowest B line. So in the flat order, you're going to have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Just up and down all the way through. Same thing for the bass clef. Let's draw the indicated flat and all 7 flats. Treble clef. Remember our order of flats. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Let's draw our flats in. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. And for our bass clef, B, E, A, D, G, C, F. See if you can draw number 4 on the bottom on your own and 1 more on the right-hand side. Good luck and see you next time.